Today's gonna be awesome because I am gonna be drag racing this Lexus, my daily driver, my semi-show car that I, did stuff to for handling. This car that I drive every day, that I have lowered, and it's not a drag racing car, but it'll still be fun to see what it can do anyway. First one's here because the gate is closed. Steve is out of his truck. Everybody's starting to show up here. It's gonna be a fun day. We made it.
We made it. Car's out of the trailer. It's still one piece.
It's not upside down.
It's not upside down on the trailer.
Yeah, that's always nice. Got the red tire letters. That's the first time I've seen that. All right, so we're all teched in, ready to go. Got to get some air out of my tires and we can do our first run. All right, so we're gonna air down the tires and race. Staged up here. And I put this NOS octane booster in my car. I don't think it's gonna do anything, but it looks good.
We got a 13.9.
13.9. Got to hit record, but that time I got a 13.7, so a little faster than the 13.9. I'm gonna check my tires, let the car cool off, and then we'll go again. So I ran a 13.7, and this is is it a 350Z or 370? 370Z, so it's a 3.7 liter, a little bit bigger than my car. We're gonna see. Yeah, that's a small camera.
It should be fun. It should be a fun race.
Yeah, it should be a fun race because our cars are similar. This one's probably gonna be a little quicker, but
it's a little lighter.
Yeah, let's see what mine does.
Yeah! A 260. Yeah, baby. Hey, he's drag racing. How about you?
I think I got a faster time. Let's see. Thank you. No, I did not. I got a 13.69, so pretty much the same as what I got before, even though it felt a little faster. He got a 13.448. So I was at 100 miles per hour, he was 107. 13.69, not bad. Right, so I did 3 runs in the IS350, and it's a little hot and cooling off, but in the meantime, I figured my brother is here with his ISF, so let's run that and see what it can do. This car should be a little bit faster. We're all set up in the ISF, and it's time to go down the track. We will be racing Troy Sowers in the McLaren. This will be interesting.
a race against your favorite YouTuber. Hop up to the red tent right there by the front gate and get your raffle ticket. You want to race today?
You know what these weigh? That's why on the big end he's catching everybody so right.
Maybe you can just follow about 10 and 15 more. See if you can get it down. I don't think so. Nope. Yeah, 11.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
13.2. That's still pretty good. I think I can do better. 13.23. Woo!
Yeah, you did have it for them. You know, like. Sorry.
28
Last pass was a 13.6, which isn't that great. So now we're gonna race an Evo and see if we can get in the 12s, but I doubt it.
Stop running. Yeah, on the freaking
All right, so I did a lot of runs, and now my brother with the ISF will be doing a run. We'll see how he does here.
Alright, don't forget, next Saturday, big day of championship outlaw streetcar racing here at Cecil County Dragway with the straight engineering outlaw streetcar shootout. It's till 8 o'clock next Saturday.
Wow, 13.2. That's awesome. All right, first time drag racing for my brother and his ISF. Did a 13.29, I think.
What's that? 13.3.
13.3, 13.29. That's good. You beat a Tesla. You did beat him. Lower time, higher speed.
No burnout.
And no burnout. So that's awesome.
Order 2, Papa 1. She'll go 11.93 at 100.
13.51 that time, a little slower.
I thought that car was a lot faster though.
Yeah. It was very, very close.
Yeah, I know.
He spun a little bit.
He's will be there too, 1077 at 132 to a 1330 at 109. Alright.
Everybody's loading up. It's been a fun time here at Cecil County Dragway for the YouTube Callout. Got to race both Lexuses, which is pretty cool. Got to hang out with some YouTubers. I think the cars did really well. I think the fastest with this was a 13.69 and the fastest with this one was a 13.23. So it's been a good day for the Lexuses. I mean, nobody was really running what they should be running as far as drag times. It's a little cold out and it was hard to get traction, but I think we did it and it was a lot of fun. So that's really what matters. All right, everybody, that about wraps up the YouTube call out. We just packed up and ready to go. Got air in my tires. I'm happy with my times. We're gonna head home now. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment below what you thought of the drag times. Maybe I'll have to come out here again, I'm not sure. I kind of want to do more autocross or like track racing with this, not so much drag strip because it's not a drag car, but it was still fun to bring it out anyway and just see what it could do. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at marty.media. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next video.